Hi, I'm Ben Fox, and I manage Huber Fox's Trust and Estate litigation team. If you're a surviving spouse, I recognize the loss of a spouse is an incredibly difficult process. Along with the emotional loss, there are legal and financial steps you need to take. And if they aren't handled properly, it can lead to confusion, delays, or even litigation years down the road. Today, I want to share a quick survival list to help you navigate this process and avoid common pitfalls. First, locate the will and any trust documents. I encourage you to talk about your documents with your spouse and review them before time runs out. If your spouse had a trust, the process should be easier and you'll likely be able to avoid probate. However, it is extremely important that you review the trust with an experienced estate attorney. Some trusts require the surviving spouse to split the assets into smaller trusts. This process is called allocation. The surviving spouse allocates assets to Trust A and Trust B. While this process does not have to be difficult, I've had to litigate this issue more times than I can count. Many times, the surviving spouse simply forgets or does not realize they need to go through the allocation process. When they pass away, their beneficiaries are stuck trying to complete the process that should have been completed 10, 15, or 20 years ago. Believe me, it's a disaster, often leading to litigation. Now, if your spouse did not have a trust, or if the assets weren't properly titled into a trust, a topic for a different video, you may need to go through the probate process, which can be lengthy and costly. If probate is necessary, you'll need to file with the Superior Court in the county where your spouse lived. Next, notify all financial institutions about your spouse's passing. This helps secure accounts and prevent unauthorized activity. At the same time, review all beneficiary designations on life insurance, retirement accounts, and payable on death accounts. These designations take priority over what's written in a will or trust. And outdated information is one of the most common causes of estate disputes. I cannot emphasize enough that meeting with an experienced estate attorney early in the process is the best cure against litigation. State-specific rules on topics like community property, spousal rights, and trust administration can be complex. Even a small mistake, like misinterpreting a trust or not giving proper notice, can lead to delays or legal challenges. If you've recently lost a spouse and aren't sure where to start, we're here to help. At Huber Fox, we focus exclusively on trust and estate matters, and we're ready to walk you through the process with clarity and care. Thanks for watching.